Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Story Time on Everyday English. This is episode 17. Today, we will listen to a very long and super fun story about three friends and a cooking adventure. The friends will make a big, delicious pizza. This story is clear, interesting, and easy to understand for everyone. We will listen very slowly. You will learn many new words about food, cooking, and counting. Get ready to listen for a long time. Let's start the very long story. Leo is a boy. Maya is a girl. Tom is a boy. Leo, Maya, and Tom are good friends. They love to spend time together. Today, the friends have a big new project. The project is to make a delicious homemade pizza. They are very excited. It is a beautiful afternoon. The friends are in Leo's kitchen. The kitchen is big and clean. They put on their white aprons. The aprons keep their clothes clean. First, they wash their hands. They wash with water and soap. Clean hands are important for cooking. The friends need ingredients. They need many ingredients for the big pizza. First, they need flour. They take a big white bag of flour. They put 2 cups of white flour in a big blue bowl. 1 cup, 2 cups. Second, they need water. They pour 1 small cup of clear water into the bowl. Third, they need salt. They put 1 small spoon of white salt into the bowl. Fourth, they need oil. They pour a little yellow oil into the bowl. Leo, Maya, and Tom are ready to mix. Leo takes a big wooden spoon. He begins to mix the ingredients. The dough is sticky. The dough is wet. The dough is now a ball, a big ball of dough. The friends take the dough out of the bowl. They put the dough on the clean wooden table. They begin to knead the dough. They push, they pull, they turn the dough. They push, they pull, they turn the dough. The dough becomes soft. The dough becomes smooth. It is perfect. The dough needs to rest. The friends put the dough back in the blue bowl. They cover the bowl with a clean white towel. The dough will sleep for 1 long hour. The friends wait patiently. They talk and laugh while the dough sleeps. 1 hour passes. It is time. The friends check the dough. The dough is now bigger. The dough is happy. They take the dough out of the bowl again. They put a little bit of flour on the table. Maya takes a long wooden rolling pin. She begins to roll the dough. She rolls it one way. She rolls it the other way. The dough slowly becomes a big flat circle, a perfect circle for the pizza. Now it is time for the sauce. They need red tomato sauce. They open a big can of sauce. Tom takes a big spoon. He spreads the red sauce on the big, flat dough circle. He spreads the sauce carefully. The whole circle is red. The sauce smells very good. The friends are ready for the toppings. The toppings are the final ingredients. First topping, cheese. They need white and yellow cheese. They grate the cheese and sprinkle the cheese over the red sauce. Lots of cheese. The pizza is turning white and yellow. Second topping, pepperoni. They put small red slices of pepperoni on the cheese. They count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices for Leo, 5 slices for Maya, 5 slices for Tom. 15 slices in total. Third topping, olives. They put small black slices of olives on the pizza. The olives look like small black circles. The pizza is complete. It looks beautiful. It looks colorful. Red, white, yellow, and black. The friends put the round pizza carefully onto a big, round baking pan. They walk to the oven. The oven is hot. The friends put the big pizza into the hot oven. Now they wait again. They wait for 20 long minutes. The kitchen begins to smell amazing. The smell is of hot cheese and tomato. They watch the pizza through the glass door of the oven. The cheese is melting. The edges of the dough are turning golden brown. The pizza is cooking perfectly. The timer rings. Ding ding! It is ready. Leo's mother helps. She takes the hot pizza out of the oven. The pizza is very, very hot. The pizza looks amazing. It is golden, red, and cheesy. Tom takes a big knife. He cuts the big round pizza into 8 small slices, 8 triangular slices. The friends sit at the kitchen table. They are very hungry and very happy. They each take 1, 2, 3 slices of pizza. Leo takes a bite. The pizza is warm. The pizza is delicious. Maya takes a bite. The cheese is soft. The crust is crispy. Tom takes a bite. This is the best pizza. The friends finish all the slices. They made a perfect, big, delicious pizza. That was a very long and exciting story about the friends making a pizza. We hope you enjoyed this long story and learned many new words about cooking and food. Listening to stories in English for a long time is the best way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this long video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.